Today, India is a place to be. The catalyst in growth is the Economic Times Acetech, Asia's largest exhibition on architecture, construction, design and engineering industry. A premium trade fair with topical knowledge for bringing together the brightest minds in the industry. Witness the future of building.
Welcome to the Economic Times Acetech 2011 special episode. Let's kickstart this episode from the inaugural session of Day 1.
The Economic Times Acetech was inaugurated by the Honourable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Prithvi Raj Chauhan, with lighting of the traditional lamp. Also present at the function were a host of other dignitaries, including the Minister of Public Works and Tourism of the Government of Maharashtra, Shri Chhagan Bhujbal. The exhibition also hosted conferences and seminars headed by noted speakers and decision makers in the industry who debated and discussed the latest trends in the construction space.
Now I'm standing in front of the design wall, which is a huge LED screen showcasing some of the most innovative products. Let's take a look at the unveiling of the design wall and some of the exciting things that happen soon after.
The Design Wall 2011 was inaugurated with much fanfare by some of the most well-known architects and builders. The Design Wall 2011 continued with its Video Wall initiative, offering an equal opportunity to all participating exhibitors to display a sample of their futuristic, original and unique products. The jury comprised of over 50 leading personalities from the architecture and construction fraternity who judged over 75 shortlisted products. And truly, it was a visual treat for everybody present at the event.
Innovation was clearly the buzzword at ET Acetech 2011, and right from products and designs, everything was showcased and evaluated. Let's take a quick glimpse at the facilitation and networking dinner that celebrated the spirit of innovation.
The inaugural day of the event blended with a gala celebratory event, where some of the top architects and builders were honored. The architects were felicitated for being part of the Acetech Design Wall jury. The main role of the jury had been to select the best brands and products that could be featured on the design wall. Apart from this, the event also featured some truly captivating entertainment acts.
Welcome back to the special episode of the Economic Times Acetech 2011. Now, Day 2 was the International Lighting Summit, and everything then, of course, was focused on lighting designs, concepts and products. Let's take a quick peek at the highlights of the day.
The theme for the Acetech International Lighting Summit was the transformation of spaces through light. This year's conference drew attendance from leading professionals in the design, architecture and lighting industry from all across the globe, along with an eminent lineup of speakers. The topics discussed ranged from lighting innovations to lighting design practice and implementation, showcasing the very latest in lighting design. Most of them featured new lighting applications and technologies, such as LED, which means energy and cost efficiency.
Welcome back. You're watching this special episode of the Economic Times Acetech 2011. Now, reduce, reuse and recycle are some of the chants of the Go Green campaign, and it's this thought that was amplified throughout the Global Green Summit. Let's take a look at some of the highlights of Day 3.
The theme of the Global Green Summit 2011 was Sustainable Urbanization, Planning and Execution. The conference was attended by leading practitioners of green advocates from all across the globe. The speakers at the conference focused on the innovations, experiences, and techniques related to sustainable practices and implementation.
Sustainable products or energy-efficient solutions seem to be becoming a necessity in our day-to-day lives, and this exhibition provided the perfect platform for manufacturers and suppliers of eco-friendly solutions to exhibit their products. Let's take a look at some of them.
I'm indeed delighted to be here with you. What has been billed as one of the largest exhibitions which deals with construction, design, building materials and of course architecture.
Really very much delighted to be present at this inaugural event of the latest and probably biggest version of Acetech 2011, the 13th edition in Mumbai.
I'm very happy to see that every year it is improving and it is doing better and better.
It's been excellent because I think it does bring the local culture, the local manufacturers here to really show the Indian line designers of what their palette is.
The organizers of Acetech should be incredibly proud of themselves for the significant developments that they've made. You could say Acetech is coming of age, which is all the more impressive considering it's only the second time, I believe, that the Lighting Summit has actually taken place.
I feel very honoured to be a part of the process of introducing lighting consultants and what we do and the advantage to the Indian people that seem very, very eager to learn. And so hopefully we're doing good by being here.
First of all, I think it's a great overall program. The speakers are phenomenal and the expertise they bring from around the world is extremely informative to everybody, and even the other speakers are learning a lot from those other presenters too at the same time. So,
I mean, excellent manner in which you are taking it forward from what you all had done last year. You all had started the design wall, you all started the lighting summit, I think the green summit as well.
ACE has been a pioneer in bringing everything under one roof. You got architects, you got engineers, you got developers like us come together. It's becoming more than just for products, it's becoming a thought innovation interface.
I think it's a huge effort, and I want to add that year on year I continue to see the scale really growing. I feel that you make Bombay Exhibition Center look so much more different than what other exhibitions do.
Well organized shows. I've been noticing it over the past couple of years, and it's getting bigger and bigger. So, but that's what we've seen.
But it is a world-class event, and I think the whole country, whole industry is very proud of it. All of us were used to going to events like this across the globe, and it's great that an event like this is happening in the country.
Acetech has been growing consistently year after year. Every year I'm seeing it's getting bigger and better. There are better exhibitors here, more participants, more people coming from abroad also.
It seems much better organized, and I just walked through and it was really international standards, so I'm really happy to see that.
It's absolutely international standard. I think that Economic Time Acetech is really helping us to get more and more new technology as well as the new material which is launching internationally.
The exhibition launch, I think, is really well organized. I think everyone works really hard. It's very obvious.
my first impression is that we have grown. I say we because I feel like I'm part of it because I'm coming back.
It's a good opportunity for architects, designers, and the public at large to come and see the latest materials.
Innovation, 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 variety and versatility. I'm sure you've outreached your own expectations.
First, I have to congratulate you for this bringing in a totally different exhibitions, even though a lot of exhibitions are happening in Chennai too.
For us, real estate industry, whatever is required, almost all of the trends are here. So I think this has become a one-stop place where we can get everything under one roof.
It's been a learning experience for me. It's been an experience where I have actually seen things that I had not seen before.
It's bigger and much more organized than before, and I think it's just gaining ground right now.
No, I have been visiting since since many years. It is as great as always.
It's fantastic. Previously, we used to see only these kind of ideas and everything coming under one roof abroad.
In many ways, Acetech is better than what you see in an international exhibition. What is relevant to the Indian market is definitely what Acetech is all about.
I would say the people are coming even from outside Mumbai, all over from Maharashtra to see this show. I mean, it's a very prime show for the architects.
We see a lot more brands this year, and most of the brands have presented really good stuff as well.
I think this particular exhibition which has been organized today, the timing is really apt. The choice of Green Summit is excellent, and the government is totally behind the entire green endeavour.
I've been associated with Acetech for now many years, and that is the reason that this year also we wanted to sponsor this program. And our experience has been very good.
I'm very happy to be associated with this Acetech today, and it has come out very well. Very innovation thought that Acetech has come out in such a good show.
Well, as all good things must come to an end, we've come to the end of this special episode of the Economic Times Acetech 2011. As you can see, there's a lot of innovation happening in the world of architecture and design. We hope you've enjoyed watching this episode as much as we've enjoyed bringing this to you. Thanks for watching, but that's all for now. Take care. Goodbye.
The Economic Times Acetech 2012. Coming soon.